of a business that actually is making money long term. So they're going to try to screw them for 3 times the rent, and they're going to just piss off and go down to the backpacker district. So it's really dumb move. Makes no sense whatsoever. So, you know, this is what they'll do. That's what they're going to do. There used to be... There used to be a place called The Office here, and that's probably gone. Most of these bars sort of last about 6 months, and then they basically evaporate into the ether. No sign of it. That seems to have gone by the wayside. Yep, there's another bar that's basically died in the arse. They only last a few months and then they're gone. Actually, the Office has actually survived. So there you go. That's one of the rarities. That was about 3 months ago, and that's still around. But Jungle Bar and Tequila Bar died. I'm going to go down to that section next, and I might backtrack to the Office and see whether still anyone there. Well, they're open, so obviously there's someone there. We'll just check it out and see what it's like. Okay, here's a short tour of my first room in Saigon, Vietnam this trip. It's a decent size. It's bigger than the room I had at Saigon Pink 3, and it's actually cheaper. And it's got a bigger screen, TV screen. It has a fridge, the same sort of fridge that in Saigon 3, so that's fine. It seems to work okay. The furniture's really nice, really solid. Incredible amount of storage space here, just amazing, and up the top as well, so no problems there either. And a comfortable bed. The only thing it doesn't have is a view. This is basically it, and you can see that's pretty damn ordinary. So you don't get a view there, but they provide a kettle, and you've got coffee and tea there, complimentary mineral water, plus the ones you pay for if you have more, but I just go and buy it at the Family Mart. And you have a key system. You have this type of system where you slot that in and you'll get access to the room. Don't use a key, but to use one of those cards. Here's the bathroom, which is also very nice, I've got to say. They provide the that shampoo, and also there's gel there as well, some shower gel. You also have a window going through to the into the bedroom area. But the shower itself is not bad actually. It was hot and reasonably consistent, and that's something that's hard to get generally over here. Pretty clean, this place. You've got the standard sort of roof, that's sort of like you'd have in an office. Toilet, bidet, given the French influence. And yeah, pretty damn good. Nice solid wall. I love these doors. I love these solid wood doors they have in Vietnam. They're fantastic. It's a real bargain, really, for you know, considering that I'm currently paying $34 Australian a night, and I'm going to upgrade to a room that has a view, and that will be an extra around $6 Australian to get what they call a superior room. But I think this is a really fantastic value place, and it's just because it's slightly away from Bitexco Tower, I guess it's a little cheaper here. And it is literally next door to Game On, the new Game On venue, which has moved into this part of town. It's moved a couple of blocks down the road. So there you go. This is my first room, and I'll give you a look at the superior room that I'm moving to later today, and we'll compare the two. All right, this is the room on the 5th floor that I've moved to, just shifted from the basement area. You can see there's natural light here. This is the bathroom, very similar. Not exactly the same as the one downstairs, but very close to. But natural light, that's the big difference. Not much of a view, I've got to say. That's pretty damn ordinary view-wise, but at least it is natural light. And that's the main advantage. I can't even get that curtain open. But is the view out the back again is not exactly inspiring, but of course there's buildings going up all around here, no surprise there. And yeah, that's my new room. So yeah, it's just a lot less depressing having a bit of natural light during the day, so it's worth paying the extra $6 a day, I think, for that. And yeah, it's next 5 nights I'll be staying up here. And here's the outside the lift here, and I'll just go into the lift and I'll get down to the 1st floor where the reception is. And here we are in the reception area just here. And that's the building across the road. Here we go. And this is the hotel I'm actually staying at, just there, up on the 5th floor now. And that's where Game On is, the new Game On. So, yeah. Hey. This is new Game On. Oh, it is. Actually, it's good. Good setup here for the football. You've got a screen up there, so that's quite good. No back projection up here, I don't think. Can't see any around here. It's not a big venue, but they've got a few levels. We've got upstairs as well. That's the Coke I got. It's a little World Cup one. I'm getting some spring rolls. But they're actually fried spring rolls, but I prefer the raw ones we get here, but that's okay. Today I'll eat those, no problem. Anyway, they'll go down well. This is so much better than Fatty's to watching the football, because you've got the commentary in the background, you can actually hear it. I can't see what the score is there, and I have to use the Wi-Fi here to get it on the Herald Sun site to find out what the scores are. That's the life of a blind traveller. One of those little hassles I continually have. But yeah, it's a good little venue. They've got another area upstairs. That's just up there where that guy's going. It's a bigger area, and apparently got darts down the back. So it's not a bad setup here. I preferred that you had the outside seating in the old place, but it's pretty comfortable. And here are the spring rolls, so we'll see how they go down. I'm pretty peckish, I think I'll be fine. I won't have a problem getting through those. So it's a snack. 120,000, so it's quite expensive compared to what you pay on the streets. So you get these individually, the ones that are raw, for I think they were around 10,000 each. So yeah, anyway, give it a go. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.